Hi, welcome to the Start 3D Modeling channel. In this video, I will tell you about 3D modeling software that runs fully from a web browser. It is not just a 3D model viewer or some simple app for making slight changes, but it is a fully fledged 3D CAD system. This software is Onshape. I don't want to get into a discussion here about whether cloud solutions are good or not, because we can present both many advantages and many arguments regarding such solutions. The goal of this video is simply to show that something like this exists. And I think it's worth knowing that we have such possibilities because Onshape is a CAD fully operating in the cloud. It is not an application you install on your computer where only part of the work happens in the cloud and files are stored in the cloud. Here, everything happens in the cloud, and this has the advantage that you can run Onshape even on a weaker computer. The only important thing is a reasonably stable internet connection. What is more, we can run Onshape on a tablet, we can run it on an iPad or an Android tablet. Tablet versions are available, and on the tablet we also have a fully fledged 3D CAD system. On this channel I already have a video where I show how to start working with Onshape on an iPad. I will publish more soon. And what is more, Onshape has a free plan that can be used for non-commercial projects. We have a fully fledged 3D CAD system here, however, you must know that projects created in this free plan cannot be used commercially and are publicly available. And what does it mean that these projects are publicly available? If you launch Onshape, you can go to these public projects, and there is simply a whole bunch of free projects here that were created in the free version, and we can browse these projects. However, as you can see, at first, this might seem like a big disadvantage, but there are so many of these projects that to find anything here, you really have to want to. We can enter a project name here. We can search by names, but as you can see, you really have to want to find something here. There are so many projects here that searching for these projects is not that easy. As you can see, new projects appear here every moment. Right now it's 11:15. And look how many of these projects appeared in this minute. Of course, the fact that these projects are publicly available is certainly some limitation, but it seems to me that it is mainly a limitation for people who would like to cheat a bit and use the free plan to execute paid projects. This version, the free plan, is intended exactly for hobby projects, home projects, or for learning. If you would like to learn to create your own models, you can use this plan, and you have access to a fully fledged professional 3D CAD system here. And the knowledge you gain while working with Onshape can also be useful when working with other programs. Regarding paid plans, we have two plans here, standard and professional. And standard costs $1,500 a year, and professional costs $2,500 a year. And whether that is a lot or a little depends on what this program is used for. So we won't discuss prices here, or we simply have the opportunity to use a professional 3D CAD system that runs fully in the cloud, meaning we don't need to have a good computer to run this software, and we can use this program for $1,500 a year. So in many situations, this can be a very reasonable proposition because, for example, we don't have to invest in a workstation to run a 3D CAD system. But in this video, I mainly wanted to inform you that a free plan is available, and I also want to emphasize that this free plan should be used for hobby projects because these projects are simply publicly available. But the fact that these projects are publicly available, as you saw, it is not that easy to find these projects. But of course, if there is a determined person, they might find some interesting solutions in these projects. So this is just short information that we have a fully fledged 3D CAD system that works in the cloud and also works on tablets. I think this tablet version can be quite an interesting proposition for some people because here really it is not just a 3D model viewer. It is not an application where we can introduce some slight changes. We simply have a fully fledged 3D CAD system, so I think this can be an interesting solution. And the second issue is that Onshape does not require a powerful workstation. We can run Onshape even on an office laptop, and we will have a fully fledged, well-functioning 3D CAD system. And if you want to test Onshape, you will find a link to Onshape in the description below this video. In the description, I will also include links to tutorials where I show an example of 3D modeling from a web browser and an example of 3D modeling on an iPad. The tablet version differs slightly from the browser version. However, the working principle is the same, and if you get to know Onshape in the browser version, you will master the tablet version quite quickly. On the tablet, commands are arranged slightly differently. You have to spend a moment getting familiar with the interface, but the working principles are the same both on the browser version and on the tablet version. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more Onshape tutorials. See you in the next one.